aside from my soul.
So it's finally time to start assembling the engine. We were just over at Momentum and washed our pistons for the new engine. They came out like brand new. So it's always really good to have everything super clean before putting it together when it's a used piston, as we use on these basic setup engines. So everything is done for assembly on the piston side. We just got our bearings for the engine. We run ACL bearings for the connecting rods. Really thankful for the help from LMR who helped us out with these bearings. Without him we probably wouldn't have them as fast as we had them. So really good support from him. So yeah, we're going to start moving the connecting rods to the new pistons that's suited for this block, and yeah, after that we're going to start assembling the engine.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
We just sprayed the MLS gasket with some glue because when you reuse a gasket you want to make sure it binds with the cylinder head and block, so we used the Loctite 3020. It's a known glue to work good with the MLS gaskets. So now it's been drying for 10 minutes and now it's time to put the cylinder head back on the engine and tighten everything up. So let's go. So we're taking a short break, going down to WTP Dekor, who's hosting a Porsche meeting today. I'm going to check out some cars and socialize a bit before going at the engine build again. So I'm going to show you some Porsches and their shop. So we just torqued down the cylinder head, and now we're putting the camshaft in. I'm going to show you shortly how you put them down. You use the 2nd, 4th and 7th. Second, 4th and 6th, what's it called? I don't know in English. Camshaft bearings, and you push it down simultaneously to make sure it comes down straight. So we're going to do it in small steps each time to make sure we don't crack the camshaft. To seal the support girdle and the oil pan, we use a soft seal from Specma Seal. It's a sealant that's good for everything from oil to gas, so it's really easy to apply, and also you don't have to be so thorough with the thickness of the sealant. So it takes a while, but it's really good. So after we put the seal on, we use our own support girdle. We're trying to make this ready for regular M104 with a stock oil pump, but this car is taking up all of my time, so I don't have time to finish it. So hopefully we can get it fixed very soon.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
We just got done with torquing the lower end, like the support girdle and the crankshaft. So now we're ready to put on all the external stuff, like exhaust manifold, intake manifold, starter, engine, generator and stuff like that, or alternator is called, I think. Tomorrow we're gonna clean out the engine bay, make it ready for the engine, and hopefully we will try to start her up tomorrow. So let's go home and sleep and get back tomorrow. One of the good things about taking out the engine this early in the season is that you can get a small checkup on everything, how it works. Our Tenachi flywheel and the clutch from bakaxeldelar, the Sachs Racing Engineering pressure plate works really good, and we can't hardly tell it's been used at all, so everything looks really good for the upcoming season. So really thankful for the support from Tenachi Motorsport for helping us getting on track this year. So let's mount it up again and let it taste some clutch kicks. The clutch is back on. Let's get the gearbox on the engine again and let it go back into the car. Whoop, whoop.
okay. Listening to Manic, have your thoughts stricken in panic. Kill 'em all, write a song, strip your ball, play along. Never thought I'd ride alone when I'm coming with these rivals and these elders trying to crush my dreams. I'm losing all my idols, so I get to the rap and I'm avid though. Unbelievable when you're about to blow. Mexico doing what I do and bitches really wanna give head to go. And I can't really stop myself to your contribution with a grain of salt. Everybody wanna be the next Michael the Spikely, I'll be myself and I'll make that shit unlikely. No matter what, it's comfortable. I just wanna win a Grammy, but my pop said it's impossible. Fuck that shit, no matter what, I do what I can and I raise the bar. Never comprehend what it's like to beat the jungle and never make it fall. About you rappers that just wanna constantly talk and act like everybody that's on mainstream radio never really understood that fact. Just let your personality shine out to the hills of Colorado. Naturally let myself be the greatest, just see better tomorrow. And I'm sorry that's too political. I ain't been afford to drop out of school and make a better life than those who are cool. And everybody really appreciates you, dude. God damn it, and I'm really loving hip-hop. Only thing there for me when all of this poverty struck. Chilling with kindness like Danny DeVito all in his prime. Or maybe do it like Joe Pesci when you arriving on time. Miley Cyrus teaching these young girls
Work
how
it.
to twerk.
White t-shirt, it's perfect for garage. So this week has been hell. When we started up the engine in Tuesday, the car sounded good and everything was good, but when we started revving the car, it misfired a lot, and even though we had a new trigger plate, it didn't work. So after changing the trigger plate, we were checking for trigger missing and something that was wrong. We couldn't find anything. We tried to change back to the old wheel. We tried to change the sensor. We tried to check the wiring, everything that we could think of. In the end, we actually changed the intake camshaft. The Vanos, or what's it called in English, like the variable camshaft angle was bad in the one we had. So somehow it malfunctioned, and after we changed that, the engine started to sound good again. So I think we took apart everything with the timing chain and everything like 5 times. So now it's only 7 hours before leaving for Germany, and I still haven't packed at home. So we're a lot after the schedule, but not much to do now. So we're heading out to try and get everything packed for tomorrow. We tried the tire rack and it works fine. So now we're going to retighten the RPS studs after running the engine hot, and we're also going to change the oil because of the new connecting rod bearings. So we have some work to do, but we're going to do it now, and after that we're going to go home and sleep and try to leave at 5 in the morning. So it's going to be a long ass day. 7 hours. Less than 7 hours.